I'm not a financial advisor. So 7th of December, Thursday, 9:17 a.m. ET. So there was a crash yesterday from 246. It was a clear rejection at 246.32 level. It came down to 239.48 at the end of the day. So right now it's a little bit gap up, but I think it should get stuck at this level of 243.65. Right at this level, 243.44 or something, 244-ish level. I don't think it's going to touch 244. It will come back down again to 237, I guess. I think it should touch this level. It's a possible scenario, I guess, 237, and then it should try to go back up. So before the market opened, I say it like that it should get stuck at this level, 242 or 243-ish level. It couldn't even reach 243. It actually got stuck and got a resistance, and it's coming down. So I already said that in like 9:17 a.m. I said that it will get stuck and it should come down to 237 levels. So I think I was right. So I think it's at least trying to move up, and it as I predicted, it actually came down to 237, and yeah, exactly 237 level. And from this point, it's trying to go up. There is a VWAP line. I'm not sure it can pass through the VWAP line and go over and settle above the VWAP. Not really sure at this point, but at least it's trying to. There are some buyers and they are trying to push the market up. I'm not sure they will be successful eventually, but if it closes below 235 or even 236, then we are in danger. But right now it's giving another move, I guess. It's showing quite a good move. Let's see what happens. So this move is not really bad. I would say excellent move because it's teasing the VWAP line and trying to cross. It's not easy to get settled above the VWAP line, but at least there is a green candle after all these three massive red candle. It's trying to make a stop. It actually did make a straight line, you see. These things I actually consider as a support. It actually did not go below this line, you see. From this line, it's making a huge green candle. Maybe after this green candle, couple of doji or a very little red candle, and another after that, like 10:30, I expect another big green candle. So I think the market is reversing. It's reversing, and at this point, if it clearly reverses, it should go back up to 250. It's not impossible within the next couple of days or maybe next week. So I think it's quite a good news. So right now at this point, 10:45 a.m. ET. Right now, anyone can say that it's a quite positive reversal. It's going up. But again, I'm not so sure if it can cross this 243 level today, but maybe tomorrow. So pretty sure tomorrow will be a green day, like bull candle, a bullish day, sorry. Yeah, even if it's touch the 239 tomorrow, it should go up tomorrow to at least 246 again. But after that, if it can pass the 246 resistance, because here's a clear resistance. I think I made a video on that yesterday. Uh, Rejection at this level 246. So I don't know if it can pass this 246 level rejection. If it pass this 246 rejection clearly, will reach to 252, and then after that, the next stop will be 257 or 258. So I think it's on this route now, right now. So it failed to go up above 243 or 244-ish level. I already mentioned that earlier. It's quite impossible to go above this line for today. So it clearly got rejected at this line. So the question is, will it go below 237 today, or it will try to go up again at the late hour? So that's the question. And I was quite optimistic when I saw this move, this upward movement. Um, I actually thought it will stay above the VWAP line. So I kind of little bit scared at this point. Will it go below this VWAP line? So right now it's not really. It's totally confusing situation, and but it's not that bad either. It's not that bad either. So tomorrow, maybe there will be a big jump and it will pass 246 as well, maybe for tomorrow. But in the morning at around 9:30 or 9:35, I already said that it will come down to 237, and there might be a reversal. So that actually happened. So let's see, after 2 hours at around 3 p.m., I will try to make another shot.